So, GroupTogether was the perfect choice for us. We are a national organisation across 5 different state offices, and recently we chose to use GroupTogether for a farewell card and gift, and it was seamless. We didn't have to do any awkward chasing up, especially during COVID-19 with a lot of our workforce remote. It was the easiest solution for us to collect both messages and money from individuals who wanted to put something forward towards a gift. Then in the end, we were able to easily convert it straight to a gift card and send that across to them digitally, which was a great solution. The team at GroupTogether are so responsive and helpful, and any tech issues or questions that we had were easily addressed. So I would recommend them. We're going to use them again and again because it's such a great solution and it's a great idea. So well done, GroupTogether.